Okay, so after a few good hours put into this work, we finally had the jet air filtration system up on the ceiling. First thing first, we used the 2x4s to make the frame and studded them onto the ceiling so this thing ain't coming down. I also got some hooks, some chain links, and also a thing here, this little lock here. So we basically put this in the hook, we locked it, use the chain link, and the chain link goes here. So now let's see how this thing works. I'm going to turn this on and we will hear the sound at 3 different levels. So I'm going to shut up so you can hear the sound. I'm going to turn it on now. It's on right now and you can probably see it's at the low setting. Now I'm going to turn the speed to medium. And now to high. And I'm going to turn it off so you can hear the difference now again. So now it's off. Turn this back on at the low speed. So again, I mean, the sound isn't a whole lot. It's not definitely anywhere close to your vacuum sound. Plus, it's going to keep the air fresh in the garage. So that's obviously the best plus we can get in working in limited spaces. It was again a fun project, a little hard work. Wouldn't have been possible without my wife's help to get this up here. So thanks to her, and enjoy and breathe fresh. Take care. The remote is, you got the timer, the speed, and the on and off. So it's a